Burning fat is our primal birthright. Babies that are breastfed actually go in and out of ketosis because breast milk has saturated fat and cholesterol. Keto is not a diet, right? It's high-octane brain fuel. Throughout much of human evolution, ketosis likely served as a valuable survival mechanism to fuel brain metabolism during times of food scarcity. In some ways, the modern diet could be considered keto deficient. So there's a study out there, Cynthia Thurlow mentioned the study, maybe other speakers mentioned it. Only 12% of American adults are metabolically healthy. I'm going to rephrase that and rewrite that and say 88% of American adults are in a keto deficiency. That's the real problem. Keto is not a fad diet. The real fad diet is the standard American diet. Keto has been around for as long as humans have existed. This fad diet, it's only about 40 years old. So one important point on foods to eat on keto, and then we're going to get into something else that's really important. Not all keto foods are created equal. You heard Autumn talk about, when she introduced me, and I love Autumn, she talked about that canola oil video. So later on, go on YouTube and type in how canola oil is made. But here's the point. When we think about these two experts I've interviewed on the Keto Camp podcast, Dr. Kay Shanahan, Brian Peskin, this question came up: what's worse for you, smoking cigarettes or eating vegetable oils? And according to Peskin's research, he said if somebody smoked 2 packs of cigarettes each day, the chances of them developing lung cancer is about 16% in those 28 years. Then he said if somebody ate vegetable oils for 28 years, the chances of them getting cancer or heart disease in the 28 years is 86%. That's just one man's research. I said, hey, Dr. Kay Shanahan, does this line up with your research? And she said, actually, Ben, this is closer to 100%. These are highly inflammatory, and they're in a lot of keto foods and keto products. It's called linoleic acid. What's the half-life? What do you think, meaning if you remove them today, half of it will remain in your body for how long?
2 years.
Yeah, you're smart. 2 years, right? That's why I think it's worse than even having sugar. You could burn off sugar. These stick around for a long time. So here's the list for you. Take a quick screenshot. Avoid these as much as possible. Canola, corn, soybean, cottonseed, safflower, peanut, sunflower, grapeseed, fish oil. We'll talk about it later, and rice bran oil. Switch to these, stable fats. Olive oil, avocado oil, beef tallow, butter, duck fat, lard, coconut oil. That simple swap right there will go a long way for you. Again, you get these slides later on today. If you want a free download of a keto grocery shopping list, ketocampblueprint.com.